Hello and welcome to my Practice Google Classroom. Hands up for who wants a whiteboard and Google Meets. Now that we're all having to teach remotely, having a whiteboard in our Meets is a really useful tool. So I'm going to show you how to go get it. So you're going to go to your Chrome web store. In the search bar, you're going to go ahead and type Google Meet Classroom Extension. And you're going to click the download. I've already got it, so I don't need to download. And this is what it looks like. So that when you are in your Meet, this is what's it's gonna automatically, let me get rid of this, automatically show. Here is my whiteboard. Now I'm using a stylus. Now, can I not teach you this? Now, class, what is 4 times 2? 2 times 2. So that my answer is 48. I can change the colors on it if I want. I can even customize the color that I want. If I want to make that font, writing tool, thinner, I can, or if I want to make it bigger, all I have to do is click the plus sign and now it's made bigger. This tool right here is an eraser, so I can just take it and erase whatever I want to. How easy is that? Also, I can also type in this. Is this cool to do that? And this icon right here, if I click on it, you can add the K-Tex math in it. If you don't know what that is, well, I'm about to show you. It is the formulas. There you go. So if you're a math teacher, that would be an amazing tool to use, right? Now, that's your eraser. Let me get rid of this. That's your eraser. This is to write with. I like to use the stylus because it just makes it so much easier. And this, if I want to put in text, I click this icon and then I'll click this icon and I can add my text. Simple as that. And that is your Meet Google extension. Something else that I want to show you too before I go. You see these 3 little dots on the lower right corner? Now, a lot of the teachers don't know how to record a meeting. Always record your Google Meets with students. You can also change the layout of, You can also change the layout. So you can do a sidebar, a spotlight, or a tiled view. It is up to you how you want to do that. Also, you can go to full screen. You can also turn on captions. So that is Whiteboard in Google Meets. How cool is that?